Just like this. Ooh-wee. At least we know where the things are. Yeah, got that. 6 out of 8. Well done, folks. We've got 6 out of 8 Ohm stones, and 4 out of 9, soon to be 5 out of 9 fairy rings. We're really flying through this. Ooh. Oh, there we go. We're really flying through this game. If by the end, once we get all 8 and all 9, if that's the end, like the last level or whatever, like we've really flown through this. So good job. Yeah, good job, man. Good job, team. Up to the next section. The next section. Oh. What was that? Oh, there's going to be a big angry monster in here. Oh. Oh. Oh, wolves. Wolves. My natural enemy. They tried to take my food. Beast Slayer, ayer. Rolling. Nope, not going to leave this area yet until I have a proper look around. I can hear you butt clenching through the monitor, but I don't care. I need to find those ohm stones and those fairy rings. Fairy ring. Fairy ring. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Hello? Hello? Hello, fairy. Thought I'd just give you a ring. I know. Don't judge me. You can't judge me. Don't. I've made myself feel sad. I'm so ashamed at that joke. If you're going to marry a fairy, would you get them a fairy ring? Good question. I don't know. But now we're going to a new area. Until next time. Same. Ooh. Do I click on you? I do. Oh! Why are you going up that way? Oh, what's happening? I need to pull out my controller. There we go. So pretty. What's it this one? A whole lot of nothing. Ooh. Ooh. Hello, face. Nice to meet you. Oh, it sleeps at night. That's when I'll go. It's so big. It won't hear me. I can see the door of this cave. I can't breathe in here anymore. I need to go through that door. It's nice here. I can hear her singing. She wants me to stay with her. Through the door, I'll be happy. She loves me. Dickle. That was creepy. 7 out of 8. Only one more. But that was fucking creepy. Do I lifty click? Oh, this drops? Oh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna die. Oh, I see. Oh, and I didn't even die. Oh, but ooh, an outside to the cave. That's always nice. Jesus, she really went splat. Splat, splat. Oh, mighty old splat. I defeated her, and her mama so fat. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, dangerous out here. Oh. Oh, what was that? What's that? Oh, God, it's a giant skull. Oh. Oh. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, God, what's that? It's a giant luchador. Oh, my God. It's a giant flaming luchador. Oh, my God. Jeez, these rocks are very slow. Oh. Oh, my... What? Oh. 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 Oh, no. I got splattered. Oh, I went splat. Yes, yes, we get it. I'm dead. I am very dead. Roll. Roll. I'm on a roll! Ha ha ha. Yes, okay. Now, we're missing 3 fairy rings and 1 ohm stone. I hope we find them. Oh! 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 Arr! I'm a big fire luchador. Apparently it's a fear bulb, because I kept on getting told about Steam cards that I'd won, and it had the picture. So cheers, Steam, for ruining the surprise. Arseholes. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh my God! This is terrifying! Oh no, I'm stuck! Oh! We're not on a plane that grades downward. How are these rocks rolling so? Oh, stop. Oh! Oh, that's a lot of health gone. Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly. Fuck off. Yeah, prick. Oh, no. Yeah, run off screen where I'm safe. Do I move this? No, apparently not. Do I go around it? Apparently not. What? 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 Where's he back? This makes no sense. Okay, bastard. It's all going downtown. Oh. How did I defeat him? Why am I falling? What's going on? Who am I? Where are you? What are you? Who? What? Where? What? Why? When? Find out next time. Same time-ish. I can only presume as much. Tomorrow?